Have you ever wondered why plants grow only in certain places, why animals live in specific habitats, or why disturbing one organism affects the entire environment? The scientific study that helps us understand these relationships is called ecology. Ecology is a branch of biology that deals with the study of interactions between living organisms and their environment. The word ecology is derived from two Greek words, oikos, meaning home, and logos, meaning study. Therefore, ecology literally means the study of organisms in their natural home. Ecology explains how plants, animals, and microorganisms interact not only with each other, but also with non-living factors such as air, water, soil, light, and temperature. It helps us understand how life survives, adapts, and maintains balance on Earth. In ecology, we study two main components. The first component is biotic components, which include all living organisms, such as plants, animals, and microorganisms. The second component is abiotic components, which include non-living factors like sunlight, temperature, water, soil, humidity, and minerals. Ecology studies how biotic and abiotic components interact with each other to form a stable ecosystem. Ecology is very important in our daily life. It helps us understand the flow of energy and the cycling of nutrients in nature. It explains relationships such as predation, competition, symbiosis, and parasitism. Ecology also helps in the conservation of biodiversity and guides us in protecting endangered species. Ecology plays an important role in understanding environmental problems such as pollution, deforestation, climate change, and global warming. By studying ecology, we can make better decisions to protect the environment and maintain the balance of nature. Based on the level of organization studied, ecology is mainly divided into two types, autoecology and synecology. Autoecology is the study of an individual organism or a single species in relation to its environment. It focuses on how one organism responds to environmental factors such as temperature, light, water, soil, and humidity. Autoecology helps us understand the adaptations that enable organisms to survive in their habitat. For example, studying how a cactus survives in desert conditions by reducing its leaves into spines and storing water in its stem is an example of autoecology. Similarly, studying how fish are adapted to live in water or how polar bears survive in extremely cold regions are also examples of autoecology. Autoecology helps us understand tolerance limits, survival strategies, and adaptive features of organisms. Synecology is the study of groups of organisms or communities in relation to their environment. Instead of focusing on a single species, synecology studies entire ecosystems. It deals with interactions among different species of plants, animals, and microorganisms living together. For example, studying a forest ecosystem that includes trees, herbivores, carnivores, decomposers, soil, and climate is called synecology. Synecology includes the study of food chains, food webs, energy flow, ecological pyramids, and nutrient cycles. It helps us understand how ecosystems remain stable and what happens when one component of the ecosystem is disturbed. In simple terms, autoecology studies one species, while synecology studies many species together. Autoecology focuses on individual adaptations, whereas synecology focuses on community interactions. A simple way to remember this is auto means self and syn means together. Thus, ecology helps us understand how living organisms and the environment are interconnected. By studying ecology, we learn how to protect nature, conserve biodiversity, and maintain balance on Earth.